Presenting the updated design of the spring hinge plier kit. The jaw has been modified to function beautifully with a wider range of spring hinge styles. The spring hinge plier kit consists of two pieces. The first is a lever, which must be mounted to a countertop. The lever is used to extend or open the spring hinge barrel so the plier can secure the barrel in the extended position. The second piece is the self-locking plier. The plier allows you to hold the barrel in the open position without having to keep a tight grip on the plier. This makes it very convenient to intertwine the front piece of the frame with the spring hinge barrel and insert the screw. These are some of the popular spring hinge barrels that work with the spring hinge plier kit. Using the spring hinge plier kit is simple. Adhere the lever to a countertop where you have good visibility. In all cases, without exception, the earpiece must always be pointed toward the ceiling to avoid breaking the pin. Take the temple with the earpiece facing up and impale the barrel on the post. Gently, very gently, move the earpiece away from you to open or expose more of the barrel. You need only expose 1 millimeter or so for the system to work properly. The type of spring hinge will determine where the plier's jaws will engage the barrel to hold it open. This style of spring hinge will require that you insert the plier's small protrusion into the pocket and gently squeeze the plier closed to hold the barrel open. On this style of spring hinge, you engage the barrel with the blade portion of the jaw to hold it open. Once again, open the barrel, apply the blade to the exposed section, and gently squeeze close and secure. Lift the plier holding the temple straight up to remove it from the lever. Now that the plier is holding the barrel in the open position, mount the frame front to the temple and insert your hinge screw. Release the plier by disengaging the end of the ratchet from the plier handle.